Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, let's discuss about table in HTML. The HTML table allows authors to arrange data like text, images, links, etc. into rows and columns of cell. The HTML tables are created using the table tag, in which the tr tag is used to create table rows and td tag is used to create data cells. The elements under td are regular and left aligned by default. There are different components of table. Some of them are table border, table height and width, table background color, table heading, cell padding and cell spacing, Colspan and Rowspan. Table border. To use border in any table, border attribute is used. Here border is equals to 1, that means the border size is of 1. Without mentioning border attributes in table tag, it does not show any border into the table. Table height and width. We can set the table width and height using width and height attributes. We can specify table width or height in terms of pixel or in terms of percentage of available screen area. Here width is equals to 400 pixel and height is equals to 150 pixel. Table background color. You can set the table background color by using bg color attribute. You can set the background color for whole table or just for one cell. Here bg color is equals to yellow. It means table is created with yellow background. Table heading. Table heading can be defined using ts tag. This tag will be put to replace td tag, which is used to represent actual data cell. Normally you will put your top rows as table heading as shown below. Otherwise you can use ts elements in any rows. Headings, which is defined in ts tags, are centered and bold by default. Here I use ts tag for player name and club. Player name and club can be displayed with bold font and in center position. Cell padding and cell spacing attributes. There are two attributes called cell padding and cell spacing, which you will use to adjust the white space in your table cells. The cell spacing attributes define space between the table cells, while cell padding represents the distance between the cell borders and the content within a cell. Here I use cell padding is equals to 5 and cell spacing is equals to 5. Now it's time to know about Colspan and Rowspan attributes. You will use Colspan attributes if you want to merge two or more columns into a single column. Similar way, you will use Rowspan if you want to merge two or more rows. Here I use Rowspan is equals to 2, that means it merges two rows, and Colspan is equals to 3, it merges 3 columns. Let's see an example of table in HTML. It's all about table in HTML. I'll be back with next video.